What if your garage could be smarter, cleaner, and way more efficient without spending a fortune? In today's video, we're diving into 9 of the coolest garage inventions that can completely upgrade your space. From smart tech to powerful tools, these gadgets are designed to save time, boost convenience, and honestly, make your garage feel futuristic. Let's jump right in. Number 9. Smart Garage Door Opener. Starting off, we have the Smart Garage Door Opener, a must-have for convenience and security. This device lets you open and close your garage straight from your smartphone, no matter where you are. You'll also get real-time alerts, so you always know if your garage is open or closed. Many models even support voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant. It's perfect for busy homeowners who want peace of mind and total control at their fingertips. Number 8. Portable Power Station. Next up is the Portable Power Station, and this thing is a total lifesaver. Whether you're working on tools, charging devices, or dealing with a power outage, it provides clean and reliable energy without any noise or fumes. Most units come with multiple outlets, USB ports, and even solar charging options. It's perfect for garages, DIY projects, or even outdoor use. If you want power anytime, anywhere, this gadget is a game changer. Number 7. Smart LED Garage. Light lighting can completely change your workspace, and the Smart LED Garage light proves it. These lights are ultra bright, energy efficient, and often come with adjustable panels to direct light exactly where you need it. Some models even include motion sensors or app control, so they turn on automatically when you walk in. No more dark corners or poor visibility, just a clean, well-lit garage that makes every task easier. Number 6. Heavy-duty magnetic tool holder. If your tools are always scattered, the heavy-duty magnetic tool holder is a simple but powerful solution. It mounts easily to your wall and holds your most used tools securely in place. No more digging through drawers or wasting time searching. Everything is right in front of you. It's affordable, space-saving, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Sometimes, the simplest inventions make the biggest difference. Number 5. Wall-mounted pressure washer. Now let's talk about cleaning, because the wall-mounted pressure washer takes it to the next level. This compact yet powerful device makes washing your car, tools, or garage floor incredibly easy. Since it's mounted on the wall, it saves space and stays ready to use anytime. With strong water pressure and convenient hose storage, it turns a messy job into a quick and satisfying task. Check the link in the description to learn more, or grab yours now. Number 4. Smart Wi-Fi Garage Controller. Taking things a step further, the Smart Wi-Fi Garage Controller upgrades your existing garage system without replacing it. It adds features like remote access, scheduling, and even geofencing, meaning your garage can open automatically when you arrive home. It's easy to install and works with most garage door systems. If you want smart features without a full upgrade, this is the perfect solution. Number 3. Infrared Garage Heater. Working in a cold garage can be miserable, but the infrared garage heater solves that instantly. Unlike traditional heaters, it warms objects directly instead of just the air, making it faster and more efficient. It's also quieter and more compact, which is perfect for garage setups. Whether you're working on projects or just spending time in your workspace, this heater keeps things comfortable all year round. Number 2. Garage Cleaning Robot. Imagine never having to sweep your garage again. That's exactly what the garage cleaning robot offers. Designed to handle dust, dirt, and debris, it keeps your floor clean with minimal effort. Many models feature strong suction, smart navigation, and even self-emptying bins. It's perfect for busy people who want a clean space without the hassle. This is one of those gadgets that feels like the future. Number 1. Smart Garage Camera. And finally, at number 1, we have the Smart Garage Camera, a powerful upgrade for security and peace of mind. With HD video, night vision, and motion detection, you can monitor your garage from anywhere in real time. Some models even include two-way audio, so you can communicate directly through the camera. Whether you're protecting your tools or your vehicle, this is a smart investment you won't regret. And there you have it, 9 coolest inventions that can completely transform your garage. From smart tech to practical tools, there's something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome gadget videos. Thanks for watching. All the products mentioned are linked below, so make sure to check them out and pick the one that fits your needs best.